Welcome guys to the IoT News 1, and here is our first news that for industrial automation, Maxim Industry announces new designs and parts. So Maxim Industry used IO-Link communication. So firstly I tell you what is IO-Link communication. So when in industry to connect sensors and actuators at shorter range, IO-Link bus is used. That data is transferred firstly to the local hub, and then that data is transferred to any PLC or any type of controller which is at a remote place. And the interface uses IO-Link interface, which allows every IO-Link sensor or actuator or expansion module to be interchangeable to a standard hardware interface. So now I will show you some new parts which are introduced by Maxim Industries. So Max 22515 is IO-Link device transceiver compilant with IO-Link version of 1.1 or 1.0 physical layer specification. Actually, what it does, it integrates the high voltage function commonly found in industrial sensors, which also include drivers and two linear regulators, all in tiny 2.5 millimeter to 2.0 millimeter. And Max 22515 has an extensive integrated protection to ensure robust communication in harsh industrial environments. And two integrated LDO regulators in Max 22515 generates the output voltage of 3.3 or 5 volt, reducing the number of additional external component and required space. The next component which is introduced by Maxim is Max REFDES 177. This is very cost effective. It requires also less space and consumes minimal power. Actually, it does not require external protection like varistor or TVS diodes because the integrated serve protection in Max 22515 at the IO-Link interface. And Max REFDES 177 uses a M12 connector with 4-wire cable. Then the next part is Max 22000. It is an industrial grade configurable analog input output device, configurable on the fly software as voltage or current input or output. Additional input are also available to measure other analog signals. And Max 22000 also supports ADC with low noise PGA with high voltage and low voltage input range to support RTD measurements. And another one which is introduced is Max 14483. It's a 6-channel low power 3.75 kilo ohm PRMS SPI digital isolator. The 6 signal channels are individually optimized for SPI application and include very low propagation delay on SDI, SDO and SCLK channels. 2 extra channels are used in this design for RDY feedback from Max 22000, that is Max 22000, and for RST to allow MCU to provide software reset to the Max 22000. So here we have done with this news. If you like this video, then please do like and subscribe to my channel.